Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel, and share this video. Now, in my previous video I told you about how to take order on Bybit future trading, because I'm currently on Bybit future trading terminal. You can see I'm on future Bybit trading terminal. So now in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually take your profit and set up your stop loss. After taking order, go and watch the previous video if you have not watched it, how to take order. Either you are entering the market price or you are using limit. So, and also I've already recorded how to use leverage. So all those things are important, so go and watch them. But in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually set up your stop loss and take profit, because taking your profit and set stop loss is also important in trading. Future trading is a very risky trading, but if you know how to play the game, if you know how to go about it, then you'll be on the safer side. But if you don't have the experience, if you don't have the knowledge, the basic knowledge of future trading, when you trade on your own without having the basic knowledge, you lose money. Because what will make you to be losing the money is not because you don't know how to trade, but it's because you don't understand what we call risk management. So risk management is as important as what as it is as important as entering the trade and exiting the trade. So entry and exit are important in trading. You should know the price you want to enter a trade, and you should know the price you want to exit. So that's the meaning of stop loss and take profit. So take profit is when you exit a trade at a particular price. That's the meaning of take profit. Take profit. TK. That's TP. Take profit, that's TP. Then stop loss, that is what? SL. So now in this video I've already take order, so I will show you how to set up your stop loss and your profit. So let me do that. Now what I'm going to do is, by the time you take your order, this is my order here. You can see lister. So you click on modify, click on this modify here. You can see that I'm currently shorting this position, this order. You can see if it is long, it will show long. If it is short, it will show short. So just click on modify here, click on modify. The network is not favorable, so now you can see. So this is the interface you are going to see. Your interface may be different, but this is the interface you are going to see. So you can see you have the order. This is my entry price. You can see. So when the price reaches this price, it will trigger for me, and the trade will start, and the trade will start moving. So now this is where you are going to click. You click on what? This TP and SL. You can see. So just click on it. Okay, it has gone back again. Click on it. So you can see that I have currently set up my take profit. So when I take it, setting up your take profit, let's say how to take profit, just click here. You don't need to click here. Just click here, click the percentage area. So you can take profit. The network is okay. Click on it. Click on the percentage. The network. Okay. Click on the percentage. you can take profit from 20% and above. So let's say I want to take 20%, I'll just click on 20%. You can see. So it depends on the price you enter. Like my own, I enter the price at 0.56. So the market price is still at what? 0.51. You can see is so it's moving there gradually. So if the price trigger, if the trade trigger for me, so I just enter what I can enter. What, like what I did was I enter 50%. That when the price, don't be too greedy. Don't be greedy. So just take your price at a moderate percentage, because so that you will not lose the profit. So just so immediately you put the price at 50. You can see 50%, or let's say 30%. You're going to see the price here. You can see, you will see the price here. You can see this is the price it will reach. So when it reaches the price, after selling, when it sell, it is coming down. So this is the price that I want to trade now. So when the price comes down and it gets to this place, it will trigger for me. You can see 0.56 up, 0.54 down. You can see. So but you have to do what? You have to take your what? You have to also set up your stop loss. So this is my stop loss. You can see. So just click on this. So you can to use stop loss. To use stop loss, you can click on what? You can click on the percentage also. Don't lose more than 1% of your capital. So just click on what? Just click on 1 here. You can see. So when the price, you can see I'm telling the price to stop my loss at 0.5654. See, this is where it is now. I'm sorry, this is the price I want to trade. But when the price reaches 0.5654, it will exit it. It will exit the trade for me. It will close the trade for me automatically. So which means that I won't lose much. You can see that I will not able to lose much. Let's say I put 5%. You can see you are going to lose much. You can see you lose much. You can see. Let's say I put 10%. You can see you are going to lose much. You can see. So you don't trade. You don't use much higher percentage when you are taking your stop loss. So just use 1% of your capital that you trade on. So let's say you trade $50. And remember, any capital you use, as if you have, let's say you have $500 in your account. Please don't use more than 10%, 5% or 10%, 5 to 10% of your capital. Don't use more than that for a trade. Don't use more than, as in don't use all the capital you have for one trade. No, spread out your risk. You can just use 5% for one trade. You can use 10% for another trade. Spread it like that. You can use 5% for another trade. You can use 10% for another. So when you spread out your risk, and don't be too greedy. Don't over trade. You can just take maybe 2 trades. If you're a beginner, stick with one. I get me now. If you're a beginner, stick with one, because I'm talking from experience. I've done this. I have lost money in this thing. I have lost not small amount of money. So I know what I'm saying. So don't put all your head. Don't put your head in one basket. Don't put all your head in one basket. So spread out your risk. So by doing that, you will be on the safer side. So in my next video, I'm going to be teaching you how to actually measure your stop loss and take profit within the chart by itself. So I'll do that in my next video. Now, immediately you set up your take profit and stop loss, what do? Click on confirm. Click on what? Click on confirm. So you click on confirm. But before you click on confirm, let's say the trade is let's say the trade has trigger and it started moving. I want to take to trigger at what? 0.5649. So what I'm going to do is that you are going to do what? You are going to, and let's say the trade has moved, maybe it has moved 20% for you or 50% for you. Let's say the trade has moved 50% for you, and you don't want to take profit at that 50%. So, okay, what I'll do is that if the trade before the if you want the trade to reach maybe 50%, and the trade has already reached what, 30%, so you can come here and adjust it. You can come here and you can adjust it to maybe 80%. Let's say the trade is going fine, so you can adjust it to 80%. So but then you adjust to 80%, you don't want the trade to close at that 50%. You can adjust it at what, 8%. When it get to what, 20% or 30%, so you can adjust it to 80%. Then you now come here, because the trade is giving you profit already, so just come here and what, and click on this price here. You can see, click on this price here. So you are going to place your what, you are going to secure part of your profit. Let's say the profit is in 0.564. The profit has gone down to 0.5. Let's say 0.554. So you can just say, it is 5554. So you just, it is selling, it is coming down. So you are going to place your profit. You place it. You place the profit above the what? You place the profit above the current price that it is. I get me now. It is selling. So if it is selling, it means that it is coming down. You place that price above it, so that when the price is moving up again, when the price is moving up again, you won't lose it. So you lose your money. So you can actually take a profit at that price. So I think you are getting me now. So I'm going to talk more on that in my next video. So I don't want the video to be too much. So if I get any value on this video, subscribe to my channel and share this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.